Good morning, class 7. I hope you are all fine. Today we will start with the new lesson, The Decline and Reawakening of the Muslims. It means that rise and fall of Muslim empire. Students, decline means downfall and reawakening means to become active again. Today we will discuss the decline of the Muslim rule. You know that Muslims were strong earlier, as we studied in the last chapter of midterm, that how Muslim conquered many parts of the world, and we know that the Islam spread throughout the world by last prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and slowly the world glittered with the rays of Islam. Islam started to spread by Muslims who migrated to different areas and also by Muslim traders. Here in the subcontinent, Islam spread when Muhammad bin Qasim attacked Dibal and conquered Sindh. So Islam entered in the subcontinent far and wide. He was also the Muslim first ruler in this area. And with the entry of Muhammad bin Qasim, the Muslim rule was started in the subcontinent. One by one, Muslim ruler came here. Islam also spread in this region through Sufis and saints, who through their strong character converted the heart of the people towards Islam. We have also learned about Muslim dynasties. Students, the Mughal emperors, due to their weaknesses and wrong decisions, made the Muslim power weak. In 17th century, the downfall of the Muslims started because most of the Mughal rulers were unable to rule. So the government lost its power. The 19th century was a time of the rise of the European powers and the decline of the Muslims throughout Asia and Europe. India was already under British control and France had gained control of the Maghreb states, for example, Morocco, Algeria and Tunisia. After centuries of successful rule, the Muslim states were going into a decline, which enabled the rising Western nations to overpower them. The main causes for the decline of the Muslims were the chase for worldly power and loss of focus were the main causes for the decline of the Muslim states. The rulers became increasingly despotic, with only a few exceptions. The nobility and officials also followed in the footsteps of the rulers. Education and the quest for knowledge were not given the same importance, and politically there were rivalries and corruption which weakened the states.